What is up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. I'm eating some food, so don't mind me. I'll just be watching the market, and I'm also about to go live in the Legacy Funded Futures Discord. So if you're not already in that, just drop a comment asking for the link. Live trading Asia session. Bang. Asia session has officially began. Well, actually in 10 minutes. Alrighty, is that the right screen? Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. I'll just do that from my phone, actually. Anyways, what am I looking for inside of Asia session? Let me just send out to announce the stream. Once this 30-minute candle closes, there's a gap right here that I'm watching. Had my eye on it since this morning. Style. I'm just expecting some sell side as soon as it closes from this gap, and I'll be looking for like confirmation. I'll be looking for confirmation, some IFEG towards sell side. Welcome to the stream, welcome to the stream. Prophet Patel requested to speak. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. What's up, boys? Welcome to the stream. No, I just muted. I'm eating right now. What's up, Aiden? What's up, Capital? There it goes. There it goes. Hey. We're gonna slay gold? Yes, we are. What's up, Ivan? Welcome to the stream. Introduce yourselves if you're new, if you haven't traded with me yesterday. What I'm looking for is... So yesterday's daily range was super bearish, right? We got the sell side from that target that we were looking for yesterday. It pulled a little bit higher, and like, I think it actually took out the high one more time. Let's see what happened. So we were looking for sell side from this IFEG right here, 15 minute. It did take out the high, but it stayed inside of it. So technically it respected it the whole time. I got taken out of my position. I had a big risk position on, but I left some .01s open with no stop loss, and those survived. Just my bigger position, which was like a .25, that one got taken out, unfortunately. That would have been a lot of money. And then I woke up early morning and I caught some more of the sell side from this leg right here down to 380, which was the daily gap right here. And you can see we tapped into the daily gap and started moving up, right? From yesterday, started moving up. I'm expecting that we dig back down, take out the previous day low into this gap right here, which is another gap to the left-hand side. So that's what I'm looking for inside of this range. And if we scale down to the 30-minute time frame, which I'll show you guys on the left-hand side. And the reason why I already have a trade marked out is because I am already in a trade from my New York session. I sent that one out in the Telegram. Well, I sent it out for my VIP students. But essentially, I was looking for the 30-minute IFEG to get inverted. So this is it right here. That was TP1, which I'll just check my private group and show you guys the direct message that I sent. Oh, you guys can't see it in the Discord. Only the stream can see it. Forgot. Anyways, what I was looking for, let me just show you guys on the chart, was when it was right here, I was looking for it to pull down and invert this 30-minute gap. So now that we're back inside the gap and Asia session opens in 4 minutes, if it just closes inside of the gap right now, as you see where it's at right now, then it's probably going to sell off right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to target the gap right here at 380, and we're just going to look for confirmation inside of the lower time frame after we start running down during Asia. So 5-minute time frame, let's see what we have on the 5-minute. We'll just look for this first gap to get inverted, and that will be our confirmation. All right, let's wait now. You mean I'm frozen? Like me? Am I frozen? Or the stream? Alright, now we're just waiting 2 minutes until Asia session opens, and hopefully this 30-minute candle does exactly what we're looking for. It might already throw off a lot of people by closing like after pulling up. This one had a wick and it just pulled all the way back up. So as soon as the next one opens, hopefully just like maybe a little wick into this FVG and then just expands towards sell side. Does everyone understand my higher time frame narrative though? Just the previous day low, and then right below that low there's a gap. Bullish gap. So that's what I'm aiming for. I think it will, if it wants to go up, it will run down into this gap first. We're also still just looking for Monday's range to get filled. This gap that I have, the one that I'm targeting, is slightly lower than this low. But both of these lines right here are a regular bullish gap. So I'm looking for it to get filled up. This was Monday's range. Like literally Monday opened and ran like 800 pips. Generational run on Monday. Looking for a sell? Yeah, I'm looking for a sell as long as we get confirmation. Let's go. Gonna go make sure Am I still in the cell? Yeah, I'm still in the cell from New York Station. Because I got in off of this 5-minute right here. Or actually, I got in like here, 9-3. But after I saw the 5-minute, that was my confirmation. Anyways, let's watch. Let's see what happens. Yeah, okay, there you go. We got a wick on the 30-minute candle. And now we should be running down. Like, we should be running towards south side right now. Like, that should be enough. Tapping into this fair value gap. It's already filled completely. I'm gonna honestly just get rid of this, just so I don't throw you guys off. There's a little bit left on the gap on top, but I don't think that's too important. We're gonna look for a new setup here, probably from here, and then SL is just gonna be like, we have to kind of factor for the fact that there is a little bit of that gap that wasn't filled yet. So we just toss our stop loss like somewhere up here. Another scary thing is that there is like 3 equal highs right here, and then a candle with no wick. Remember yesterday's target? We had a candle with no wick, or was it the stream before yesterday? I think it was the stream before yesterday. We took out that candle with no wick and then ran down. So we do definitely have potential of taking out these highs. I just don't think now's the time. I want to see it run down into this daily, and then we can look for buys from there. So let's scale down. Let's look for a lower time frame confirmation. The lower time frame confirmation for new people that just joined, this 5-minute gap, it used it to go up. I'm waiting for it to close below this, and that's where I'll actually get into a setup. So it's going to be more of like a, once we get bearish momentum, that's when we get into the trade. We're not just going to try to catch sells just because it closed in a decent spot right now. Because sells is very dangerous when there's a lot of bullish targets. Like, literally, let me show you on this screen right here how close these highs are. Right here. You guys see that? And they're all like right in the same spot. Like, market's definitely going to want to run up and take these out. So you guys know this is dangerous. It's dangerous to sell without confirmation when it can easily run up here right now. So what we're gonna do before we sell, before we sell, we're gonna look for confirmation, and then we're gonna try to target these highs and this no wick candle. That's gonna be the overall target for today. Hopefully it doesn't try to take that out right now, because I'm not looking for it yet, and it would kind of just be unfortunate, like, hey, I missed this setup. How long you been trading? I've been trading for the last like 5-6 years now. I'm hoping 250 get me back at break even. That's not bad. That's a good, solid target. How much you gonna risk to make the 250 back? How much, like, how big of a move do you need? You looking for buys? No, not yet. We're waiting for confirmation. Eventually, we'll be looking for buys. How long have you been trading? I already answered that. What's up, Tony? Welcome to the stream. Okay. It looks like it might keep running here. Okay, so it's a live 750. 300 I'm risking. But like, how much of a lot size are you going to use? That's what's important. That's what I was wondering. Like if you use like 0.05, you're going to need a pretty decent move. What is my strategy, Jabel? I'm looking for value gaps. I just wait to see how candles close inside of gaps. And then depending on like what my higher time frame narrative is, like right now on the daily time frame, I have a target. I have a target down here, and then I have a potential target up here, which would be these highs, and then this no wick candle. But right now, as long as this candle closes inside of this gap right here, without going any higher than this gap, then I will still be looking for sell side. And then once we hit the daily target down here, we take out this low and then hit this daily target, then I'll be targeting the other daily target. That's how my strategy works. It's from gap to gap. How do you determine when to get in off the gaps? You have to wait till the candles close. I can comfortably do 8.22. Yeah, that's pretty big. So $22 per dollar. And you need 250. So we're going to need at least 100 pips. $10 move on gold. 100 pips. Maybe if the market wants to run down, you can see that we just filled the gap I was talking about a little earlier. We took out the high, filled the gap, 20 minutes until the close. As long as we get lower time frame confirmation, we don't have to wait the 20 minutes. We can get in once we get lower time frame confirmation. But yeah, we just took out a high. Everyone's probably aiming for these equal highs right here. That's why it's probably really good to go for sell side first and then buy side. Because market always wants to fake people out. The liquidity's too easy. Like everyone knows it's gonna go take out the liquidity. It's about knowing when to take out that liquidity. And now's not the time. Hey, Nix is in the chat. What's up, Nix? Tune in, bro. Hop on the stream. Let's see your analysis. Oh, no worries then. Some other time. We should totally do that. If you're free, why not tune in on the stream? Yeah, the background. This is real, by the way. This is my real background. Beautiful pullback. Now all we need is for it to close below this. That's all we need. We just want it to pull down, close below this, and we'll take the sell setup down towards the daily level, and then we'll be looking for buy side. That was really nice. It filled this gap completely. You can see that we barely came up right above the gap, filled it up because previously we left it. So not only did we sweep a high, we filled the gap on the 30-minute time frame, and then now we're finally starting that bearish move. Now we just want to see, look, we have 45 seconds. Maybe we might even be able to get in off this candle. If this candle pulls down deep enough, we might just get in right now. I want to see if my position actually survived. Oh, yeah. That was beautiful. It literally tapped my exact entry, so let me show you guys. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that from there, but the market literally came and tapped my exact entry right there. Like literally to the wick, exactly where I got in earlier. That tap was an impeccable entry. Yeah, that would have been beautiful if you literally got in off the top. Okay, so we didn't close below it in this 5-minute candle, but in the next one, if we do, That's it. This game over. It's not surprising that we didn't close under it. That was already big enough. I'll be right back. We're waiting for this next 5-minute candle either way for confirmation, so I'll be right back. And that's why we don't get in until it closes below the gaps, guys. I've learned my lesson too many times before. I hate gold but love Mark, so everyone listening. There you go, Nick. That's exactly the mindset you're supposed to have. Gonna make me some Asia session money. Am I prepared? Entry now. No, we don't enter until we get confirmation. Let's go. We're gonna get confirmation, guys. There's 4 more minutes of this 5-minute candle. We're definitely gonna run down there. I'm telling you, if you have patience and you can actually like trade gaps properly, that's the only thing you need. Like you'll notice all I have is like the gaps marked out. All these lines right here, it's not even liquidity. I pay attention more to the gaps than I do to liquidity. Liquidity is just like a benefit, you know, like, oh, it also swept this high right here. But what's more important is paying attention to like where the candles close. And you'll see like if this candle right now closes below, it's probably going to start running right away. So let's see, 2 more minutes. And I'm already in, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go break even on my top position. This is just one of my personal ways of managing my risk. My entry is literally right here. I'm not even joking. I'll send you guys a screenshot. Go check general chat right now. Or actually, I'll just send it to the... I'll send it to the Discord chat. I don't know if I can. It might log me out if I try to send it through my... Yeah, I'll just have to send it to the general chat. Crazy. Okay, 2 more minutes left. Come on. You guys ready? You guys think we'll get it right now? Hey, Luca finally shouted us out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's run it up. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. We are trading gold. We are trading gold Asia session. We're looking for some confirmation. Beautiful price action already. This is the 30-minute time frame to the left. And the reason why I have that entry up here is because I had it from New York. So I didn't just literally get in right now. But it was perfect that it came up, tapped that, while my stop loss was still up here. And now I'm break even because I don't want to see it run back up anymore. If it runs back up any more than this, then it might come up and try to take out all these equal highs right here. See this equal highs and then candle with no wick. So we love aiming for those candles with no wicks, but I just don't think that we're going to run towards buy side before we run on sell side. Today's a bearish day, at least in the beginning. Asia session, I'm definitely going in with the bearish narrative. And all we need is confirmation. If we don't get confirmation, we might miss out on the buy side here. But I don't want to buy yet. I don't want to buy yet. Come on. Welcome to stream. Welcome to stream. Whole lot of new people hopped in. Introduce yourselves. Hey, Luca. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Trade Nasdaq? Nah. Gold is the only thing I need to trade. Hey, Mark, you still looking for sells? I'm always looking for sells. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're mainly looking for buys, but I think we're gonna sell first. We still waiting. Lowell had to take a call. Yes, sir. We still waiting. We didn't get confirmation the first time, so we didn't close below it. Like I said, you gotta be patient and actually wait for candles to close below the gaps in order to take your entry. So this is the 30-minute time frame on the left. You can see on the top, and then on the right we have the 5-minute time frame. And my confirmation is once it closes below this gap, I'm getting in my trade. And I did send the entry that I have, and I'm already break even on that one up here. And that one was because it filled this gap right here. So I sent that in general chat right above Luca's announcement. Okay, we have 4 minutes left until it closes below this gap. Let's wait for that to happen. Who's ready? Who's ready to take this trade? Who's ready? Drop a W in the chat. Missed my TP by 4 pips. Now I break even. Were you? Oh, he was buying. How do you know when to get in? It's my strategy. My system is revolving around gaps. I just have been trading this system for quite some time now, and whenever I get my confirmation, I know it's time to get in. And today's confirmation is going to be this gap right here because we're respecting it. So in order to get into the trade, we're going to look for it to close below this gap. On the higher time frame, it's already moving in the right direction, building up a ton of liquidity here that we're definitely going to take out later. So this isn't the main setup. The main setup is going to be buys from somewhere here. And these buys are going to be aimed to take out all these highs right here, equal highs. Like look at this right here. That's my potential draw on liquidity. So for later, we're saving that for later. Those are the leftovers. Hey, Alex, NLT Alex in the chat. What you guys doing today? Whole lot of people, whole lot of interesting things to talk about. Who did something interesting today? Okay, we might have gotten the confirmation. 2 more minutes? Yeah, it's about to close below this. This is perfect, guys. The waiting time has ended. 2 more minutes, come on. And stop loss is gonna go right above, like, right at this level right here. 9.2.5, 9.3. Because this is the 30-minute gap, we don't want to see it go up there. So we're gonna have about a 30 pip. Or like, let's do it a little lower, because by the time it's up here, it's probably cooked. Like we're cooked. If it comes back up here, we're cooked. It's gonna keep running. It's gonna take out these highs and probably this wick. And then our TP is gonna be the same one on this left side right here. It's gonna be the daily gap at 3380. Let's see. I know you want to close below. I know you want to close below. Come on. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Real estate is wild as always. What'd you do today? You close any customers, Aiden? Appreciate the stream. Appreciate you for tuning in, Z. Fight the market and buy all of us. What does that even mean? What does that even mean, honestly? Or does he mean all of us buy at the same time and the market will start pumping? What if we all sell at the same time? That way I'm right, you know what I mean? Who thinks we're gonna close below this gap? Let's do a poll. Can we do a poll on here? I want to do a poll and see. Oh yeah, there you go. Buys or sells? Who thinks we're gonna run on sells first? Boom. Like, which one's coming first, you know? I think overall bias, it's always going to go up, you know? It's always going to go up. And we have some beautiful buy side targets today. Look at all these targets. Equal highs. No wick candle. That's definitely going to get hit. That's definitely going to get hit today. But I'm sure everybody else is aiming for those equal highs right now. So we're definitely going to sell off. This is also why I trade gaps, because you can know exactly when it's going to likely run down. When it like is building these lows, it's still respecting it because the candles are closing inside of the gap. You can see right here we're closing inside. Once they close below, that's when you know it's time to go in for that trade. Once the candle closes below, then it taps in and melts. We'll see that happen. We'll see it happen right now. As long as the market actually wants to run down, actually wants to take out these lows down here and then into that daily gap. Am I crazy? Am I crazy for wanting to sell right now when we have all these equal highs up here? What if it don't? Hey, yo, what if it don't? People are thinking buys. Majority of people are saying buys. Schmacked. Schmacked. What do you mean, Dexter? We're not in yet. We're waiting for that confirmation. Waiting for it to close below this gap. Higher time frame is already doing what it needs to do. We got 8 minutes until the first 30-minute candle of Asia session closes. Come on. I'm gonna call up my market maker right now, tell him to dump. Alright guys, he said he'd do it. We're gonna see some mass volumes of sell side right now. He's shorting all of his gold positions. He's going to the gold store to sell his bricks of gold right now. Call JP, I know you have his number. What the hell? Nah, man's probably taking a nice, chill time right now. Is bro buying? Brother is buying. What is wrong with some people, man? I'm just kidding. You got this hollow point. I believe in your setup. But unfortunately, I believe in my setup a little more than I believe in your setup. You know what I mean? There you go. I told you guys I called up my market maker buddy. He's selling his gold bricks at the store right now. He literally went to the store to sell his gold bricks for a premium price of $3,390. Complete beginner, do we trade gold in futures accounts? Yes, we can trade gold in futures accounts. It's called MGC. That's what I do on my top step accounts. People think that you can only trade NQ because that's what all the influencers on social media do. And that's what you do if you wake up early morning. I hate waking up early morning. So I figured out a system that works for Asia session, which is at 5 p.m. For me, it's literally 5 p.m. right now. NPC? Yeah, I'm an NPC. I literally just wake up like when it's 5 p.m. and then I start streaming for you guys, and then I go back to sleep, and I sleep about 16 hours until the next stream. Yeah. This is all AI. I'm not even real, to be honest. FEG going to get smacked first. Yeah, that daily FEG going to get smacked. Come on, one more minute. Can we close under in this minute? Come on, why is it making us wait? Who's ready for this? Who's ready for this? 40 seconds. 35. Okay, I'm done with my juice. 30 seconds, come on. Don't you work out in your sleep? Yeah, I actually visualize myself on the war zone just to build my psychology for the next trading day. If you visualize yourself out in the battlefield and you're just like, you see like missiles flying, you see all that stuff, like gunshots flying through the air, and like you just train your mind during your sleep, you wake up and like little thousands of dollars, like that doesn't really mean that much to you. Your psychology's so trained. Lock in, guys. You gotta be working even when you're sleeping. Okay, it looks like we might finally actually close below it. Golly. Golly. The reason why I know there's going to be some big move is because right inside of all of this right here was just a bunch of like consolidation. There's not a single gap inside of like starting from here. Not a single gap inside of right here. So when we start running in a specific direction, it's going to run like big enough to where there's going to be gaps that form. And that's what we want to see. If the overall direction of the market is bullish, like at the end of the day, as I mentioned, once we tap into this daily, we might get some buy side to these equal highs and then this wick. Then we're going to see a bunch of gaps form as it's running down. So a bunch of gaps would form inside of this leg right here, maybe right here. And then when market starts running up, it's going to close above those gaps, use them to go higher. So that's what I'm looking for, like end of day scenario. But for now, we have to see confirmation. If we don't get confirmation, it keeps closing above this gap. It might just run up. Self-induced PTSD for the win. Exactly. SL2 break even, risk free. There you go, Hollow. I guess it doesn't really hurt to hold if you don't mind missing out on a few $100 in order to make a lot more. How long do you trade Asia? I trade Asia until I get my W. As soon as I get that W, I'm out. I'm like, alright guys, catch you in the next day. No need to slave myself away just because Luca asked me to stream for him. Just because Mamba wants me to stream for him. Nah, I'm in here to get my profit and I'm out. I pay my own salary around here. What time frame you use most? I use all the time frames. It depends on where the gaps are at. If you're trading gaps, you'll understand that you kind of have to use all the time frames because on each time frame there's going to be a different gap. So like right now we're looking at the 5-minute, but on the 15-minute, like you can see there's literally a gap right here. So I feel like once we start running down and close below that first 5-minute gap, we're probably going to run all the way lower just so the 15-minute can also close down there. This 15-minute gap is bullish, by the way. So we also want to see it close below that one. But first, our eyes are going to be on this 5-minute one. Come on. A lot size for gold? It depends on your account size. What's your account size, Devin? How much you trading with? I play Call of Duty and get wrecked by all these tryhards before session open, so I have no emotions left when I start trading. Liddy, bro. You got to get some trash talk in there, too. 30K of your own money? Well, it depends on how much you're aiming to make. If you want to make off of each trade, if you're content with $500, use 0.5, and then that's $50 per dollar on gold, and then you just aim for $10. So 100 pips, and then you walk away with $500 for the day. How much would you want to make? A lot. If you're trying to full port your account, drop 30 lots. Low key, you can make sure you're super clear when you get in and close, please. Lil mama, just be getting better, but sometimes homie doesn't tell us that well. Mama? Who's mama? Bro talking about his mama trades? Hey, yo. That's dope. How long do you think till it hits below that zone? Oh, how long do I think? How about right now? All right, we got 30 seconds left until it closes below this gap. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Who's ready to get in? I'm ready to get in. 15, 14. Notice how it's not pulling back up anymore. Because it wants to close below the gap. It wants to go lower. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Alright, we want to actually... Really? Really? That's messed up, man. I was so excited. I was so looking forward to that. New 15-minute candle just opened. I was looking forward to that. That made me excited. It gave me something to look forward to. I know, Aiden. I was just kidding. So you're waiting to close to get in? Yeah, I'm waiting for close. I'm getting trolled. Literally, bruh. Who's in here buying? Who's in here buying right now? I'm not going to go short until we get that 5-minute IFVG. Come on. Oh, 30-minute candle also opened. New one. I just know this 30-minute candle is going to be fat. It's going to be the fattest candle that you've seen in a minute. Dun, dun, dun. I bought like 2 hours ago, so let's see. Hey. My bad, chat. Dexter, what are you apologizing for? The only thing you should be apologizing for is not talking more. Come on, man. I just sold on Nas, though. It's literally Asia session, bro. Why are you selling on Nas? It's Asia session. Nas moves during New York because it's a New York-based pair. Grab screen and shake it. It'll go down. It worked. It worked. Golly. No, I know the strat though. I know the strat. Don't tell this to Luca or Nick or Mamba. Don't tell them about this strat, alright guys? The reason why you have this like emoji area over here is because the emojis actually have superpowers. If you place them correctly in the right spots in the market, it actually like draws the market towards your TP, whatever you're aiming for. So here we're aiming for 3380, so a little bit lower. And essentially once you drop that magnet down in there, you then begin to hammer down on price like this. And that's when it starts running. But don't tell them about this strat, alright guys? This is a secret between us. What happens in Asia session stays in Asia session, alright? If anybody asks what happened in Asia session, you tell them what happens in Asia session stays in Asia session. Alright? Let's say it together. What happens in Asia session? Chat? Yep, come on. Stays in Asia session. Let's go. Don't tell Nix. I know he's not here right now. He's probably hanging out there having a good time. Don't tell him. This strategy is OP, bro. Come on, we got 2 minutes left. It's already cooked, though. Like, I'm not even worried because we're using this shot. Like, I already know it's going to run down right now. There you go. There you go. Come on. And this is why I love selling, because the anchor only works on sells, guys. It does not work. They already patched it for buys because the anchor, it actually is pretty heavy, so it usually falls. So they patched it. There used to be a glitch where you could use the anchor on buy side, but they patched that glitch. So basically what you do, you attach it to the next candle that opens. You attach the anchor. There you go. So it's attached to the next candle that opens in 1 minute. When that happens, it's GG easy. Alright, make sure you don't tell anybody else about this strategy though. What happens in Asia session stays in Asia session, alright? Come on, we got 30 seconds. I'm dropping 2 lots on this trade. Ebrock, come on. You know I'm streaming. I'll check your chat right now. Give me a second. Ten seconds. Come on. Come on. This time it's going to work. It's going to work this time. 5, 4. There you go. There you go, chat. Get ready. Are you kidding me right now? Are you actually kidding me? But the anchor's attached to this one. I'm gonna get it anyways. I'm trusting. I'm low-key just going against my system. I'm gonna get in anyways. My stop loss is going at 92. It's going in at 92 because the anchor's attached right here. We got the magnet on board, and then the TP is gonna be 80. We're looking for sell side. $92. Low-key, because I'm done getting trolled, guys. I'm done with this nonsense. We making the anchor bigger and we dropping it. Ships ahoy. Ships ahoy, gold. It's Asia session. It's time to run, bro. Why are you not moving? Come on, man. It's not fair, man. Just came in, bro. What's up? Are you selling or in a sell? How is it looking? I just hopped in a sell. What happens in Thailand stays in Thailand. Oh, hell no. What happened in Thailand, bro? Infinite money glitch? Yeah. Usually the system gives me a 100% win rate. Hope the anchor works. I'm in as well. Most epic reversal of all time. Watch. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. It's not about to reverse on us, guys. It's not about to reverse. No. Stop scaring me like that. We're running down. We're running down. We're going to get some fat sell side. We're going to get some gaps. The anchor has been deployed. We got the magnet on board already. Woo! Lack of patience. It's going to be rewarded today. It's going to be rewarded today. Today, being impatient is going to give us a fat W. Trust. I got my TP on 3367. Let me check how far that is right now. 3367. What the hell? What the hell? My anchor doesn't even reach that far. Bro's getting a little too greedy right now. Bro saw the anchor get deployed and he thought he can go full port his account right now. Please, don't do this. Please, no. Please. Don't do this, guys. No. We should have waited for the close. Who told me to sell? Who told me to sell right now? Double up on the anchor. Hey, I like that you got hope. I like that you got hope in this setup. Double up on the anchor. We're going to attach an anchor to the anchor. Magnet's already working in action right now. Let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you though, screenshot this. Somebody screenshot this right now because this on the left-hand side is exactly what's going to happen today. Promise you that. Promise you that. By the way, if you guys hop in a trade with me, be sure to tag me on the Instagram. Blame no one, you did not follow your strat. Hey, Hollow, I was joking. We chilling. Higher time frame is still moving in the right direction. It doesn't matter that we didn't get in. Because the new 15-minute candle opened, I was just like, whatever, it doesn't matter. Be sure to shoot me a DM on Full Send Traders. Tag me with your trade. Because this trade's about to hit TP. Let's go. I've played these games before. Come on. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Okay, we should have definitely waited. Dang it. It's okay, our stop loss is still safe. Enough with the baloney. Come on. $30-minute might have just wanted to tap into the IFEG right here again. Let's see if we get the sell side still. I'm in the position, my SL's at 92. So we're still chilling. 6, 5. Alright, new 5-minute candle is about to open. FEG, FEG, FEG. The buy vote's lifting the anchor. Literally, bro. Because more people put buys. 3 more people. Guys, scroll up if you just joined and drop sells on the votes right here. We got a vote section a little bit higher in the chat. Make sure you guys hit sells right there. I think as soon as the majority hit sells, we're still in the trade. We're chilling. Whew. We just hit that 30-minute though. Tap that 30-minute. Come on. All right, we got 10. We got 11 votes to 10 votes on sells. We gotta hit that. Come on, guys. Scroll up in chat. Scroll up in chat. Let's see how confident you are. Double up on the sell. Oh, hell no. I still have a position way up there. Fine. Fine. Aiden, though. If this hits SL after I double up, after you told me to double up, your next client goes straight to me. All right, buddy? I'm doubling up. I dropped 2 lots in before. Another 2 lot just went in. Same SL. 3392. TP. 3392. I can't believe I just did that, bro. I'm in with a total because I had 3 lots already in. I'm in with a total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lots. I'm in with 7 lots. Nah, this is a double top. We good? Full send trading at his finest tape, bro. You know me. I can't be. Deep inside, I wanted to do that anyways. 7 lots is crazy. I just have 1 of 500. 22K in the account. It's Gates FX. I'm no longer advertising though. Goes against the company policy. We're waiting for the launch of legacy funded futures. I can't wait to be able to trade with legacy, bro. Whoo-wee. To get him with 7 lots. We gonna be up like a MF. Yes, sir. Hold on. How's it looking right now? Really? I'm gonna double up if we get. Oh, but I have to double up before we get the confirmation, yeah? Holy moly, man. Yeah, it is a lot for the account. But one of them is break even, so it's technically only 4 lots. Nah, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a ton of money. What are you talking about, bro? Teaching y'all how to make a ton of money. Look, lower time frame confirmation, that's good and all. But all that matters is that the higher time frame narrative is correct. Like, if the 30-minute is going to be moving down, it doesn't matter if we get in at the perfect time, you know? But it would definitely make a higher RR trade if we did get in at the right time. Because we wouldn't have to, like, sit through the consolidation. As soon as it closes below, it starts running. We already in, though. We in, chat. We are in this setup. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, man. If we lose, we can all cry together. Damn. We're 20 pips away from the SL. How much you make a month trading? It depends on the setups, guys. The real question is how much I lose. Nah, check out the Instagram, though. I post my payouts on the Instagram. I've had some really good months before. Nothing like Mamba, of course, but I've had some good months. This trade is trolling, bruh. Literally, literally. What's your IG? It's at Full Send Traders. Full Send Traders. Let me share it for you guys. Dun, 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 dun. Bang. Tune in buys while everyone in sells. Tay, really? You didn't even tell us? Come on, Tay's throwing our rank, guys. We're trying to rank up right now. We're trying to rank up, make some bread. Tay's trolling our rank. Golly. 10 pips away. 10 pips away from our SL. Why did I make a bad decision today, man? Imagine if I was buying, though. Imagine if I tricked you guys this whole time and I was in buys. Let's go buys. Capital. Nah. You guys can go buys. Feel free. Buy right now. Go ahead and buy. Look. Place your buys. Tell me your SL. Tell me your TP. Let's watch your guys' trade go to SL. Let's watch. Using the forbidden strategy, I'm gonna make sure your guys' SL goes. Your trade goes straight to SL. Oh my golly, oh pal. You guys see the importance of waiting for that close under though? It kind of just shows you, like, even when the higher time frame has a specific narrative, the lower time frame kind of determines when that higher time frame is going to run. Because on the 30-minute time frame, like, we got a lot of time. We got 13 minutes. We got 13 minutes. That's 2 more 5-minute candles that have, like, complete freedom to do whatever they want, you know? I just spilled some water. We're chilling, though. We're chilling. I know this move's going to be big, and I'm mainly looking forward to catching the buy. As long as we don't take out these equal highs before we run down, I'm going to be really looking forward to catching that buy. That's going to be solid. Going long right now. Clips is going long right now. It could still go down. Double down again. Oh, hell no. Is anyone actually buying? Z wants to buy. Z wants somebody else to signal buy him. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Not really. It doesn't have to come down. That's true. It doesn't really have to come down. I like short-term buys, long-term sells. I think the overall narrative is going to be sells, but like in Asia session, typically we get the wick on the daily candle. So we want to see that wick form, and then we get the sell side. Sell side, buy side, sell side. I'm just trolling. Yikes. That's about to be a 1% loss right there. I'm going to screen record this so I can send it in the chat. You guys will watch me lose right now. I have almost a perfect setup. It only gives me buy, almost 100% win rate. I only trust you because I enter that fatty. What did he just say? What did he just say? We can get the wick whenever. True, but most of the times it comes in Asian. Yeah, it does typically happen in Asia session, and the reason why I'm looking for sells is because the higher time frame on the 30-minute has been respecting all these 30-minute gaps. You can see right here we have a 30-minute IFG closed below, and we respected it once, 2 times, 3rd time right here. Filled up that higher one without closing above it, so I was expecting we're going to still be running down. I already had a close call earlier today. We're literally like less than... We're 3 pips away from our SL. 2 pips. No. No, we're chilling. We're chilling, guys. We're chilling. I can't believe that, like, as soon as this happened right here and it barely didn't close below it, it ran up like fat run up. 3 buy side candles. Alright, it took me out right now. Buyers win today. Unfortunate. We got minus 450 on the second position and minus 580. So that's a little over 1,000. It's 1,020. It's fine. It's fine. We better make it back. I'm still not giving up. It's macro time now. So I'm going to be looking for some confirmation just inside of this bullish move. Now that we got some new FEGs. Scaling down some more. Because we were on the 5 minute. Going to scale down some more. Because we did get some new fair value gaps right here. Eight minutes until the 30-minute candle closes as well. Can't believe that I literally got in knowing that I shouldn't have gotten in. Even when you have a system, guys, you can still make some mistakes. Impatience. Bro, buy is possible. 4-hour sell side inbounds. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour. Oh, there's a 4-hour bearish IFG. I didn't even see that, to be honest. Okay, this is confirming my narrative even more. So now we just have to be patient to get a bearish position. Maybe we'll go in after this sweep. I'm going to mark out this 4-hour on the left-hand side right now. And then I'm going to see if it aligns with the equal highs up top. Because remember, it might want to take out those equal highs. So what we are going to do here is we're going to mark out this 4-hour FEG. We're going to scale down. Okay, so right above the 4, that is the high of the 4-hour FEG. That's definitely going to get taken out. The 30-minute time frame is still respecting all these fair value gaps. There's a fair value gap right there, and then the one that I was looking at earlier is an IFEG. It's right here. We just got in a little early, so I'm not going to count that as like, hey, I took a loss, so I'm incorrect. I should walk away from the market. The reason why I'm not going to do that is because I took a loss because of confirmation. I didn't wait for confirmation. You did lose though. Yeah, we did lose. We told you. Devin, come on, man. What's your IG? Full send traders. Thank you, Tay. Asia session liquidity poo poo. Literally, bruh. Literally, bruh. Golly. We got 30 pips till buy side. I'll go for longs if the 30-minute candle closes above this gap. If we pull back and close inside of it, I'm going to go for one more short position, and that's it. One more short position. I'm going to do low risk. I went in with 4 lots last time. If it pulls back, gives me another opportunity to enter. I'm going to go in with half the size, so I'm going to just go in with like 2 lots this time. And then aim for the same level that I was aiming for. These lows. Let's get it. Okay, 5 minutes to close. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I want to fill up some more water. As I disappear into the shadows. Are we about to close until that under that 1 minute? Losing is part of the algorithm? Exactly. We wouldn't be traders if we didn't lose. I'm going in off this close. 6, 5, 4. No. Alright. I'll get in. Same SL, we just tapped into it as well. Same SL, 90. Let's do 93 just because we got a new high right now. I'll make back the losses if we hit our TP here. Make back the losses plus 500 bands. Not bands. Just $500. Golly. Almost forgot I wasn't Mamba for a second. When will you learn? Buy's still going on. I did just wait for the confirmation. This right here is my confirmation. And the 30-minute candle is about to close inside of the gap. We got plenty of confirmation right now. Golly. Okay. I'll admit my losses. I'll admit my mistakes. I'm gonna definitely end the stream if this hits my SL right now. Because I am not thinking clearly. We're still in the position though. $93. We got 1 minute left until the 30-minute. Pay attention to the left-hand side. This is the real driver of where price is going right now. Let's go. 1 more minute left. The entry is crazy. Like how it looks on here is kind of insane. It looks like I bought them. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. It looks like I bottom ticked the literal sell. Nice push TP incoming. Buys, you looking at now. Let's see Mrs. Know It All. Just whatever you want to do the opposite. What can I do, bro? Don't get in, bro. What if it goes above the 30-minute IFG and go up? I don't think that's going to happen. Okay, and we respected this this one right here. 1 minute FVG. We close inside of the 30-minute FVG right here. So, let's see. So much volatility just hit the market because of the new 30-minute candle. Okay, we tapped this one again. That's still fine as long as we pull down right now. Come on. Do we want to run on buy side or do we want to run on sell side? This is kind of crazy volatility, but finally we now would be probably the time if we were patient enough to start looking for a trade, because now there's volatility. Now it's actually going to move in a specific direction, whether that be buys or sells. It's going to actually start moving now. Okay, because I'm low-key scared, as soon as if we run on sell side, I'm gonna just go break even at this low. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Come on. Can you correct me? Asia starts at 8 p.m. EST. London starts at 3. London starts at 2 a.m. in Eastern time, and New York starts at 9:30. New York actually starts at 7 a.m. in Eastern time. 9:30 a.m. is just the stock market open, so that's when you'll see like an NQ moving. There you go. There you go. Who's up now? Who's up now? Where your buys at now? Let's go. That was the right direction because the 30-minute respected. It tapped into this one up here. Now we can run down. Come on. Let's run it. Can you correct me? He's playing a game of can you correct me? 8 p.m., 2 a.m., 7 a.m. That's correct. And there's other characteristics inside of each session. So for New York session, there's going to be PM. There's going to be like PM session, which starts at 2 p.m. There's the PM Silver Bullet. There's like lunch hour, which is at 12. Then there's Silver Bullet, which is at 10 a.m. And all these time like zones have their own characteristic. The Silver Bullets, they are the open of the 4-hour candle. So 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. are the open of new 4-hour candles. No, but he rewrote it, Tay. He rewrote it with different... I don't know why you resent that caution, to be honest. Screen froze, doubled up on the cell accident. We're locked in. Oh, hell no. Now that you doubled up, bro, we're cooked. No! No! Oh my goodness, bro. I literally gotta end this stream and just like, bro, go do some reflection. I gotta go do some journaling. Some silent time alone. I mean, we're still in. No! Yeah, I'm done, guys. A little too emotional today. Okay, by the way, if it's running up, beautiful buy side right here. That's some nice targets for you to aim for. I'm done. I'm out of the positions. We're walking away with minus 1.5. So, not the best day, but we do with what we can.